If you're tired of settling for bland olive oils and want to elevate your cooking, it might be time for an upgrade. That's where premium olive oils come in. Not only do they enhance the flavor of your dishes, but they also offer numerous health benefits. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That is why in this video, I'll be going over the 10 best olive oils. Whether you're a gourmet chef or a home cook, I'll help you find the perfect olive oil for your culinary needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 10 is the Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This is the most budget-friendly olive oil on our list. It's a premium choice known for its rich taste and high quality. It's made from cold-pressed olives, which is a process that preserves the oil's natural flavors and nutritional benefits. This oil has a full-bodied fruity flavor with a slightly peppery finish, making it versatile for various culinary uses. The oil is prized for its nutritional benefits, including a high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Bertolli's strict quality control ensures that each batch of olive oil meets stringent standards, with a maximum acidity of 0.3%, which is a key indicator of freshness and quality. You can use it directly from the bottle as a finishing oil for salads, pasta, or bread dips. It is also ideal for cooking thanks to its relatively high smoke point of 392 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows it to be used for sautéing, grilling, and even light frying without breaking down. Bertolli sources its olives from multiple regions, including Italy, Spain, and Greece, ensuring that only the best quality oils are blended into their products. This global approach to sourcing helps maintain the oil's consistent flavor and quality year after year. Number 9 is the Cobram Estate Classic California Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This is the best value oil on our list. It's a versatile, fruity oil suitable for various culinary uses, including grilling, salad dressings, and bread dipping. This olive oil has a smoke point of approximately 410 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for both low and high heat cooking methods. It is characterized by a moderate bitterness and pungency, with fresh, fruity notes of tomato leaves and unripe tropical fruits. The oil maintains an acidity level of less than 0.5%, ensuring high quality and freshness. It's a popular choice due to its rich flavor profile and suitability for a wide range of dishes. Number 8 is the Kirkland Signature Extra Virgin Italian Olive Oil. This oil is the best option on our list for Costco members. It's reasonably priced and comes in a huge bottle. Sourced from Italy, this olive oil is made from cold-pressed olives, ensuring a high concentration of nutrients and flavor. It has a smoke point of approximately 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it suitable for medium to high heat cooking, sautéing, and salad dressings. The acidity level of this olive oil is less than 0.8%, qualifying it as true extra virgin olive oil. This low acidity, along with the oil's rich, fruity flavor and absence of defects, underscores its high quality. The oil is also certified by Bureau Veritas to be 100% Italian, providing assurance of its origin and authenticity. Number 7 is the Carapelli Original Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It's known for its high quality and rich flavor profile, characterized by a self-imposed acidity level that does not exceed 0.5%, which is lower than the standard 0.8% limit for extra virgin olive oils. This low acidity contributes to its smooth taste and enhances the oil's health benefits. The smoke point of this olive oil is around 320 Fahrenheit, making it suitable for medium heat cooking methods such as sautéing and baking. It is a versatile oil that can be used for dressings, drizzling, and light frying, retaining its nutritional properties while imparting a distinct taste to dishes. Number 6 is the Terra Delissa Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It's a high-quality olive oil known for its mild, smooth flavor, making it suitable for everyday cooking. It is cold-pressed from 3 organic olive varieties, including Chatui, Kemlali, and Arbequina, and they're grown under the Mediterranean sun in Tunisia. This oil is prized for its low acidity level of less than 0.4%, which contributes to its rich taste and health benefits. The smoking point of this olive oil is approximately 375 Fahrenheit, which allows it to be used for sautéing, roasting, and baking. It is also rich in antioxidants, non-GMO, and fully traceable through blockchain technology, ensuring its authenticity and quality from orchard to bottle. And if you want to know the latest prices of the olive oils discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 5 is the Filippo Berio Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It stands out for its high quality and distinctively rich flavor, achieved through the first cold pressing of olives. This process preserves the oil's natural essence and ensures a robust taste profile. With a low acidity level of less than 0.8%, the oil reflects its freshness and superior quality, as a lower acidity often correlates with better grade oils. The smoke point of this oil is between 320 to 338 degrees Fahrenheit. This relatively low smoke point makes it ideal for light sautéing, dressings, and drizzling over salads, vegetables, and pasta. The oil's delicate yet complex aroma features fresh, herbal notes with subtle hints of olive, enhancing a variety of dishes with a balanced and smooth flavor. Its versatility makes it a valuable staple in any kitchen, suitable for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Number 4 is the California Olive Ranch Extra Virgin Olive Oil Global Blend Mild. This is a versatile olive oil ideal for everyday use, particularly for cooking and baking. This blend combines oils sourced from California, Argentina, Chile, and Tunisia, providing a balanced and buttery flavor profile. The mild nature of this oil makes it suitable for dishes where a subtle olive taste is desired, such as baking sourdough bread or making cookies. The smoke point of this oil ranges from 350 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's suitable for medium to high heat cooking methods like sautéing or roasting. The acidity level is less than 0.5%, which aligns with the standard for high-quality extra virgin olive oils, ensuring a fresh and mild taste. This product is non-GMO verified, kosher, keto certified, paleo certified, and naturally vegan, making it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences. Number 3 is the Pompeian Organic Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a flavorful and versatile oil. This oil is first cold pressed, ensuring the highest quality and preserving the natural flavors of the olives. With a full-bodied and bold taste, it's ideal for enhancing the flavor of salads, marinades, and dipping sauces. The smoke point of this oil is around 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use it for low to medium heat cooking. The acidity level of this oil is under 0.5%, which is typical for high-quality extra virgin olive oils, ensuring a fresh and well-balanced taste. In terms of nutritional content, each tablespoon of this olive oil contains 14 grams of fat, including 10 grams of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Overall, this oil is also certified organic, non-GMO, and gluten-free, making it a healthy addition to your kitchen. Number 2 is the Rincon de la Subetica. This is the best award-winning olive oil on our list. This extra virgin blend is a premier choice for discerning palates, celebrated for its exceptional quality and organic certification. Sourced from the heart of Spain's Subetica region, this olive oil is cold-pressed to preserve its rich flavors and nutritional benefits. It has a fruity and slightly nutty profile with a well-balanced bitterness and spiciness, reflecting the diverse olive varieties used in its production. This olive oil has a low smoking point, around 374 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it for finishing dishes or drizzling over salads rather than high-heat cooking. Its acidity level is notably low, at 0.2%, which is a testament to its purity and premium quality. In fact, it's one of the lowest on our list when it comes to acidity, which speaks for its quality. Customers have also raved about the aroma of this oil. It's ideal for both everyday use and special occasions, and ultimately a standout addition to any kitchen. Number 1 is the Atlas Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This is the overall best oil on our list. It comes from Morocco and is known for its rich polyphenol content and exceptional quality. This extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed from olives grown on a single-family farm, ensuring that the oil remains unprocessed and maintains its natural flavor and health benefits. It boasts a low acidity level of less than 0.2%, making it a top choice for those seeking a mild yet flavorful olive oil. The smoking point of approximately 375 to 405 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for most medium to high heat cooking applications. The oil is highly valued by Michelin star chefs for its balanced taste, which combines subtle peppery notes with a fresh, herbaceous finish. It's perfect for a wide range of culinary uses, including drizzling over salads, dipping, or enhancing the flavor of cooked dishes. Plus, the high antioxidant content makes it a healthy addition to any diet to promote heart health and reduce inflammation. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect olive oil much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.